Let me show you how you can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Google Pixel 10a. If you wanted to go to the Fastboot mode, first of all, we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here we have, of course, the restart button. But once you start restarting your phone, once you tap on restart, afterwards you want to press and hold volume down. So just press and hold volume down once you restart. And keep holding the volume down button all the time until you enter the Fastboot mode. There we go. In this menu, we need to use volume buttons in order to navigate in here. So you can see in this place what is currently selected. And of course, you can choose whatever you want to select by using the power button. Now, if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can just simply use the start button. So we're gonna use start and then confirm by pressing the power button. And now we have left the Fastboot mode. Leave a like and subscribe.